This 5-minute solution will show you how to get Roblox account unbanned. To unban your Roblox banned account, follow these easy steps. First of all, you have to create another Roblox account. You can use random information to create another Roblox account. Once done, open Roblox and sign into your new Roblox account. And now click on this URL bar and you have to change this URL from roblox.com/home to roblox.com/support and go to this link. And now you will jump into Roblox support page. Here you will get a information or contact form. You have to fill up this form. So right here your banned Roblox account username that you want to unban now, and right here your first and right here your first name. And now in this email box you have to write the email address you used to create your Roblox account, and you can copy and paste to confirm the email address here. Once done, you will get this issue details section. Here click on this first drop down and select what device are you having the problem on. If you're using iPhone, then select iPhone. You can select Android phone, but right now I'm using PC, right? So I'm selecting here PC. Type of help category, click on this drop down and here select moderation and click on this last drop down and here you have to select appeal account, and here you will get a description box, and this is the most important part. Here you have to describe that you want to get unbanned your Roblox account. So carefully describe here, and instead of description box you must have to attach your Roblox account name and username. So you can write here Roblox account name and enter here your account name. Also attach your Roblox account username and attach here your username. Then all you have to need, just submit this form and wait for Roblox support to get back at you. And that's how you will be able to get unbanned from your Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.